Hi there, welcome back to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own Sprunky game, breaking down the full process so you can customize it your way. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the first link in the description and you'll land on the itch.io website on the Sprunky page. This page hosts the original Sprunky files, which you need as the base for your game. Step 2. Click on the first Sprunky result from the search results. This ensures you're opening the correct and most reliable version of the Sprunky project. Step 3. On the Sprunky page, click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. This file contains all the assets and logic required to build and modify the game. Step 4. Click the second link from the description and you'll be redirected to the Scratch website. Scratch is the platform where you'll upload, edit, and customize your Sprunky game. Step 5. Click on the Create button to start a new project. This opens the Scratch editor, which is where all your game development happens. Step 6. Click on File and select Load from your computer. This option allows you to import external project files into Scratch. Step 7. Choose the Sprunky file you downloaded earlier and upload it. Once uploaded, Scratch will load the entire Sprunky project into the editor. Step 8. After the file loads, click on the Costumes tab. This section controls how characters and objects look inside the game. Step 9. Scroll down to browse the available costumes. Here you can see different designs and variations used in the Sprunky game. Step 10. Click on the costume you want to customize. Selecting a costume lets you change visuals, colors, or shapes to match your idea. Step 11. Scroll further to explore animations and customization options. This is where you fine-tune movements and visual effects to make the game feel unique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials like this.